Hello.
Hi.
Hey, this is Amity. I'm calling from Just Answer on the Chevy Corvette.
Yes, this is Jacqueline. How are you?
Good. Tell me what's going on.
Started and moving forward, it was okay, but I'm having problems in getting it started, and it's making up a little noise. I never heard that noise before.
Okay, so you can get it to start and run now, correct?
Yeah, it can run. It can go.
Okay,
But
it's just
it's just having a problem in starting it.
gotcha. And your question to me is what could be causing this? Is that correct?
Pardon me?
And your question to me is what? How can I help you?
How do I get the service to correct that?
How do you get the service to correct that? Who's going to correct that? You're gonna hire a mobile mechanic, or are you going to bring it to a shop?
I need to go to a shop. I don't know who to go to.
So, well, if you're going to bring it to a shop, right, and assuming that they know what they're doing, they shouldn't really need to be told what to do, right? They're mechanics, that they do that for a living, so they should have no problem diagnosing and fixing this issue, right? You just tell them the complaint, right, that you're having with the vehicles, just saying, that hey, this is got a hard start condition in the morning. Please diagnose the problem and let me know what it is before continuing.
Okay.
But based on my experience, this is usually caused by a fuel delivery issue. So, for example, fuel pump, fuel injectors, fuel pressure regulator, those are the most common causes for a hard start condition in the morning. What happens is there's a check ball in the fuel pump, and it causes the fuel pressure to leak down slowly overnight, and then there's no fuel pressure first thing in the morning, so it takes a little bit to start. Or the injectors could be slightly leaking, or the regulator could be leaking ever so slightly, and then again it causes the fuel pressure to leak down. So I think that's what they're going to find, but I would still just pay them to go through and diagnose the problem and make sure that they replace the right part. If you want, I can send you a link that you can click on, enter your zip code. It'll recommend repair shops in your area that are Repair Pal certified.
Okay.
Yeah.
91746.
Well, I'll tell you what, I'll send it over in chat, and then you can click on the link, you can enter your zip code, and then you can look through. You might even recognize some of these that are in your area, and you might even be able to schedule an appointment with them online, right on the spot. So let me go ahead and send that over, and if you have any other questions or if anything comes up, all you have to do is just reply back online, and I'll be happy to help, okay?
Okay.
All you need to do is enter your zip code, and you're good to go. Enter your zip code, and then look for repair shops in your area, and you can either call them or you can book a time to, schedule an appointment with them online, okay? You got it. You got it.
Make sure I'm seeing what you said I'm supposed to be seeing, please. Okay, it's going to a different page.
That's correct.
And these will be the mechanics in my jurisdiction.
You got it.
And you think it's a fuel injection?
Something related to the fuel system, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much.
All right, you bet. You're welcome. Good luck, okay? All right, thanks a lot. You too. Bye-bye.